Think big, think fast, think ahead. That's what Dhirubhai Ambani said. If you think he can, if you think he can't, either way you're right, said Henry Ford. Today we are living in a very opportune time. It is the golden era of humankind. Doing business in India, this is perhaps the best time. The technology is there, the communication is there. We have a lot of options, the finance is there, everything is available to us. Perhaps the best time to do business, perhaps the best time to live. India has arrived, Indians have arrived. I'm not talking about Delhi and Bombay and the other metros. The rural India is hungry for brands. Rural India is hungry for branded products and branded services. I'm not talking about Gucci, I'm not talking about Jaguar, I'm not talking about Rolex, I'm not talking about Louis Vuitton. I'm talking about all the small Indian products in the beauty segment, in the wellness segment, in the education segment, in the food segment, and in the other emerging segments which is available today. The opportunity is immense. It is how we look at it. I always used to say the rain fills the size of the vessel. The rain doesn't matter whether you keep a spoon outside, whether you keep a tumbler outside, whether you keep a bucket outside, or whether you keep a swimming pool outside. Rain will fill it. So are the opportunities. It depends on how we look at the opportunities, how we put it together, and what formula we are taking it there, and how we are building on that. Success is knowing the combination to your number lock. If you put the numbers right, the lock will open. The lock won't mind whether you are a male or a female, black or a white, rich or poor, educated or uneducated. If you put the numbers right, the lock will open. Franchising is something like that. The franchisor understands the numbers for the lock, and he puts that right, and then he starts franchising. The numbers for the salon industry is what I know, so I have to obviously touch upon it. I'm not here to sell my brand. I'm just going to touch upon franchising, and I'm going to just do that. The numbers for the franchising, the salon industry is, first is identifying the right location, second is doing the right interiors, third is assembling the good products, fourth is getting the good manpower, fifth is getting the pricing right, and the last one is getting the promotion right. If you put these 6 numbers right, the lock will open. Franchising is, we get the number right, and anywhere anybody is putting the same number right in various places by different persons, the lock will keep on opening at different places. That's how the franchising is done. Franchising is a way of leveraging. Leveraging means you are going to do more with less. Ancient days, people used to walk from one place to another. Then it became bicycle, then it became the horses, then it became automobiles. Now it is becoming the aircrafts. People move in space and time very fast. Franchising is, you have an idea, you want to grow, people all over the world wants your idea, and today we are living in a digital world where you are very well connected, you can put them together and take the business elsewhere. So you can leverage more, you have an idea, that's what franchising gives you, that handle, you can use that and reach to more number of people. The last point I want to touch upon is, today we are not fighting the race between the hare and the tortoise. That is what we have been taught in our 3rd standard or 4th standard. Today the race is between one hare and another hare. In quite a few times it is the race between an Indian hare and a Chinese hare. So I end where I began. Think big, think fast, think ahead. Ideas are no one's monopoly. Together, let us create a beautiful India. Be rich, be happy. Thank you so much.